family, I want cook here for my family today. And like this machine that they wash peel my yam.
How you can use washing machine to the peel yam?
Not they peel, you know it's because I want show that today. Not they peel the yam.
Washing machine.
Yes.
Ah.
Sana.
Wow. Don't they watch with that too?
Yeah.
Wow.
Now, you don't wash it. As I said, they blink, meaning you don't off.
Myself.
Say they blink, you don't off.
So wait, once the light blink like, you say don't off.
Yes, you don't off. Yes. Mine. Open it. Wow.
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 Yeah, big old Jesus.
Myself.
Samu. Say pillar. Say pillar. Now say now I want cook enough for my family.
Myself.
Sir. Let me call you
but you not pillar. Where
it's not try, sir. I see the under.
Wait to now this machine so na pillar.
Na pillar the yam.
Wow. Wow. What do you want to cook for us?
I want to cook yam and garden egg.
Yam and garden egg.
Yes.
Wow. Wow, this is beautiful.
Very fine.
Nice, yeah.
Say pillar.
Wow, guys, this my wife is so innovative. God bless you, darling.
Okay, ciao everyone.